Hi everyone, Misilla here. So we're going to be making lumpia tonight. It is a Filipino egg roll and you can choose any meat that you prefer. We normally make it with beef. Today I'm making it with half beef and half bison. So my husband picked up some bison meat, so we're going to try that. You can use pork or ground chicken or turkey. We think that beef has a lot of flavor and pork as well. So let me show you the ingredients and we'll get to cooking. Oh no, we're not saying bye yet, honey. You will need 2 pounds of meat of your choice, 2 medium onions, which will equal to about 1.5 cups of chopped onions, 4 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons fish sauce or soy sauce. I'm using soy sauce. About 1 cup of chopped carrots. I'm actually using a broccoli slaw, so it's like a broccoli and carrot mix. So I'm going to be using about 1 cup to 1.5 cups. We like more vegetables. And 2 packages of egg roll wrappers. You should have at least 60 to 72 wrappers depending on what you buy. So I think I have 60 wrappers altogether. First, you want to brown the meat on medium to high heat. So you're just browning your meat like you would when you're making spaghetti or tacos. And when we're done browning it, we'll go ahead and drain the excess fat. Add your chopped onion and saute it for about 5 minutes. While your meat is cooking, you can start separating your egg roll wrappers because this is the most time-consuming part. As you can see, you got to do it carefully so you don't tear it. Once the onion and garlic are tender, we're going to go ahead and season our meat with a pinch of pepper as well as a little bit of salt and about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. You can use fish sauce if you like. So it's all about preference. After you season the meat, go ahead and add your vegetables, your chopped vegetables. So again, we're using chopped carrots and broccoli. We are using about 1.5 cups of vegetables. After you add your vegetables, saute for about 2 minutes. Turn off your burner and let it cool for about 10 minutes. It's time to roll up our lumpia. Make sure you have your wrapper laid out like a diamond right in front of you. Take about 1 tablespoon of your filling, place it in the center, and spread it out. Then you're going to take this end, fold it over, kind of tuck it in under there so it's a little taut. And take the sides, fold them, and then roll, just like how when you roll a burrito. Just like that. And to seal it, you can take some water, just a little bit, or you can even use egg. So just like so. The oil is heated up, so I have it on medium to high heat. And we're going to go ahead and put the lumpia rolls in there. So I have about almost an inch of oil on this pan. So we're going to cook this until they are golden brown. Sometimes I turn the heat down a little bit because it does get too hot. So I've got a few done. I've got more here. So they're about golden brown in color. So we can go ahead and take these out, and I've got a tray lined with paper towels so that way the oil can drain from the egg rolls or lumpia. We usually serve these with sweet chili sauce or sriracha. So there are different variations of lumpia. Some people use ground raw meat and roll it into the lumpia wrapper or the egg roll wrapper and then cook it that way. I usually brown the meat first. This is how I learned it from my mom. So either way, they all turn out delicious anyway. So I rolled about 50 lumpia egg rolls, fried some, and I'll be freezing the rest. Obviously, most of them got eaten. I hope that you guys found this video helpful and enjoyed it as well, and I hope that you give this a try for yourself. Definitely brings me back to my childhood memories, especially when it comes to food. So what kind of food brings you back to your childhood memories? Let me know, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching everyone, and we'll see you again next time.